All right, this is the phantom kill switch. This is the Wristband model. I'm going to show you how it activates and deactivates. It's a custom job on a Toyota Camry. Show you how that operates. All right, as you can see, the vehicle's on. You put it in gear. See that? It's in drive. There it is. You can see it better. It's in park. Now, how we activate the phantom kill switch, we modified one of these buttons. And what we did was, you see this is for a light, comes with the car. This is something blank, trunk, gas, tank. This is blank, and this is blank. We bought another one of these to mimic it, and now this activates the kill switch. Just push it, activate it, and what we did, we made it that the light can blink. See how it's blinking? That just lets me know phantom kill switch activated. Now, you cannot put it in gear. Stuck in park. Stuck in park. You see that? Stuck in park. To deactivate it, what we did, we put the sensor right in this space right here. This right here on other vehicles, got some other kind of switches or something, but we found that we can put the sensor there. Here's the wristband. You wear this, and all you have to do is rub it on there real quick. And voila. Put it in drive. Lights is not blinking anymore. Kill switch off. Let me show you in real time. Hit it on. Lock. Put that on there. Drive. That fast, that simple. So now, if you guys want to have the car running and then just want to run in there and get some coffee real quick without thinking the car about to get stolen, got to drop off something, don't want to turn the car off, activate the phantom kill switch. You can have it modified any kind of way you want. You can make a custom switch, foot pedal. You see how you make the light blink? Let me show you. See that? That's custom. We can put the sensor to deactivate it anywhere. We chose to put it right there on the wristband. Just touch it. Up. Touch it again. There you go. And you're out of there. Instantly, just like that. No more carjacking. You can have your vehicle secured, knowing that even if they got the car started, they can't get it out of park. It'll be stuck in park. Phantom kill switch. Works every time.